Morning everyone, Adam here, Blackpool Boiler Installations. Hope you're well today. This little video is just about following us about on a boiler repair. So you'll see a little bit of inside of what we do, how we carry out a few checks, and yeah, we'll show you what's happening. The repair is a flue seal which we think's gone, so we've got to replace some flue and flue seal. So it's not a good install, whoever's done it, so you'll see on there. Yeah, stay tuned for more. Get out my head, get out my head. Let's go and look at some boilers. Get out my head. That's where the flue seal's gone, just there. So that extension piece is obviously not good inside there. So we'll check that. I'll show you what's going on there. I'll just show you inside the boiler. Nice, obviously Worcester Bosch. And you can see what's happened in there. So all because of a flue seal. Just drip down onto there. Okay, so new flue extension, new flue, 45 bend, nice new seals. So new 45, new flue extension. Just going to stick some screws in there. But you can see that's where we knew the flue seal was gone, but to get in the boiler, that's not good. This boiler's 3 months old, so it could have destroyed the boiler. So cut the flues correctly, make sure the flue seals are all good. So another boiler repair has come in for some pressure issues. So immediately I must be thinking expansion vessel, PRV, maybe a filling loop passing, leak on a system. So we're going to have a look at that one as well today, and we'll keep you posted on that. Okay, so just been to look at this Baxi 105E combi boiler behind me. Customer saying that the boiler was overfilling, overpressurized, and then leaking. So I'll show you what we've done inside here. Okay, so pressure was high, but I've sorted that out. Filling loop handle was snapped, and that was passing, constantly filling the boiler, making it overpressurized. So new filling loop needed so it can be easily used, and in turn, because it was overfilling, the boiler pressure relief valve inside has leaked, so we need a new PRV as well. So new filling loop, new PRV, happy days. Yeah, so just to explain on that last boiler job, boiler repair, it's a bit easier to explain now back in the van. So customer had a combi boiler that was, the pressure has gone over 3 bars in pressure. The pressure was really high, and then they noticed a leak out of the boiler. So obviously, first thing to check was the filling loop. The filling loop was off. When I undid the filling loop from the actual loop, I was getting sprayed with water. So I obviously knew that it was passing. So took the handle off, and the filling loop was basically still half open. So manually shut that. So we need a new filling loop on there. So dropped the pressure out, got the pressure back to normal. Great. Checked inside of the boiler, PRV leaking. Obviously PRV has been opening from the overpressurizing, so that's passing anyway, and the PRV is actually leaking. So to sum up there, new filling loop needed, new PRV needed. Gone to get one, get that fitted, another one boxed off. Bit of a long day today. Just had a service plan customer call, and as I've got a spare half an hour, I thought I'd just jump by, and she says she's got a radiator valve leaking, so we'll swap that free of charge because she's obviously one of our service plan customers. Should be nice and easy, in and out, but I'll show you how I get on. Okay, so customer's got a bit of a towel around here, bit of a leak. Yeah, service plan customer, so I'm going to whip this valve off, stick a new one on just as a precaution, free of charge, because she's under a service plan. So I'll show you how we get on.